Namaste. I am Arun Dev. Today, let us do some magic. I think everybody seen magic shows before, and you are excited how they are doing magic and all. Magic is nothing but secrets. Some secrets and science working behind it. First of all, before learning magic, you need to do two things. First one is, don't reveal the secrets to anyone. Second one, before presenting the magic to anyone, you need to practice as much as possible, because practice makes magic perfect. For today's magic, we need some tools. Okay, first of all, this is a glass tumbler. Okay, and two kerchiefs we need, two different color kerchiefs. This is a rose color kerchief. You can take any color. Okay, this is second one, this is first one. Okay, and a rubber band. Four things we need for this magic. Okay, first what I am going to do is, I am taking the glass tumbler and putting the kerchief inside. Okay, look slowly, it is inside. Then I am going to cover this with the second kerchief. I am covering. Okay, this is inside, glass is inside. Okay, and I am covering this with a rubber band. Okay, now this area is tight. I cannot take the towel. Okay, then magic happen. Look to the glass, abracadabra. I am taking the towel from this. Okay, it is completely tight. Before opening this, I am putting it back. Okay, now the towel is inside, and now I am opening it back. Okay, abracadabra. Now listen, the towel is inside. Okay, interesting. Now I am going to show the secret. Okay, take the glass first and put the towel inside. Okay, then I am going to put the towel. Okay, then when I am putting the towel, look that I am going to put the towel, then please just rotate the glass, then cover it. Okay, that is the secret behind it. Then I am putting the rubber band. Okay, then magic, abracadabra, abracadabra. Then I am taking the towel. Magic happen, it is tight. Okay, then abracadabra, abracadabra. I am putting it back. Okay, then abracadabra, I am opening. Okay, then slowly I am opening the towel. At that time, what we need to do, just rotate the glass and show. Abracadabra happened. Before showing to somebody, you need to practice as much as possible. If you get confident, you can perform. Good luck.